So right now we are at our friend house, and today I'm going to show you in hilly places how the people they used to make their garden on the rooftop. And here you can have a look of the garden. Here is my friend Prabhu.
Yes, garden and Prabhu.
Yeah. So you can see like they have very less space, but how they arrange everything, how they arrange their like in hilly area it's very difficult to have plain land, so the people they will make their like garden on the rooftop. You can see some beautiful orchid. It's so beautiful. Prabhu, do you know this one? It's called kopo fool in Assamese language. Kopo. The girls they used to tie on their hair during the bihu dance. And this is the owner. Here also another dragon fruit. You can see lots of orchid they have. Oh wow! Iman dhuniya puli ase. The dragon fruits. This is the dragon fruit flower. This is the dragon fruits. Wow, it's so nice. And you can see the beautiful back side. ইমান ধুনীয়া ভিউবোৰ চাই থাকিবলৈ মন যায়। একচুৱেলি পাহাৰত থকা মানুহৰ মনবোৰ সঁচাই সেউজীয়া, কাৰণ ইহঁতৰ চাৰিওফালে সেউজীয়া ভৰি আছে। কিন্তু যদি বাৰিষাৰ সময়ত অকণমান পৰিৱেশবোৰ বেয়া লগা হয়, কাৰণ ইয়াতে প্ৰায় লেণ্ডশ্লাইড হোৱা দেখিবলৈ পোৱা যায়। তথাপিও জীৱনটো তেনেকৈ জীয়াব লাগিব, সংঘাত থাকিব লাগিব। মজা ঠাই। ষ্টাইলটো বহুত ইউনিক বনাইছে, মানে বাগৰি যোৱাৰ কোনো চান্স নাই ইয়াতে। এতিয়া টাইম নাই কপৌ ফুলৰ, but still is blooming. And here is a beautiful view. Dragon fruits, you can see. mango tree. Just ऐसे ही टच करके मन हल्का करो.
Yeah, that one. Very good.
চাগে বৰষুণ আহিব আৰু that's the church.